Hey everyone, it's Dr. James Baldwin here. I'm a board-certified podiatrist in Richmond, Virginia. Today we need to have a serious talk about something I see every single day in my office, and frankly, it's something that worries me. We're talking about ingrown toenails, but more importantly, we're talking about why you need to put down the steak knife and stop the bathroom surgery. I see hundreds of heel pain patients, but right up there with them are patients struggling with ingrown nails. And here's what's happening. People are frustrated and in pain, so they try to fix it themselves. They're buying over-the-counter products, heading to the nail salon to have someone dig it out, or worse, taking a pair of dirty clippers or a tool from the kitchen to their own toe. If that sounds like you, please stop. You're doing more harm than good. Let's look at why those DIY options don't work. First, there is no such thing as an over-the-counter product that cures an ingrown nail. It doesn't exist. Second, those nail salons, they aren't doing you any favors by cutting out a corner. They often leave a jagged edge that makes the problem worse. And third, using a tool from your house, no matter how much alcohol you think you cleaned it with, is a recipe for infection. To treat this, you have to understand what's actually happening. An ingrown toenail occurs when the nail plate grows into the nail fold, and it starts way back at the base of the nail. You can't just snip the tip and expect it to go away. It's like a splinter that keeps growing deeper into the skin. So how do we properly treat it? In our office, we do it safely and without the pain you're experiencing at home. First, we anesthetize the toe with a local anesthetic so you don't feel a thing. Then we use specialized medical instruments to remove the entire ingrowing portion of the nail from the skin. Most patients are absolutely shocked at how much nail we pull out, usually way more than they ever could have reached themselves. This isn't just about comfort, it's about safety. An infection from an ingrown toenail isn't just a sore toe. If left untreated or treated poorly at home, that infection can spread to the bone. In a bone infection, that can lead to amputation. It sounds extreme, but it is a real risk that we see in podiatry. The next time you think about letting Sally at the salon dig into your toe or grabbing that steak knife, just stop. Seek professional treatment. If you're in Central Virginia, my team and I are here to help. If you're elsewhere, find your local podiatrist. Let's get you fixed up the right way without the risk. Take care of your feet, and I'll catch you on the next one. The views and opinions expressed in this video are for informational purposes only and do not constitute legal or medical advice. We encourage all listeners to consult with qualified professionals in their local region for personalized guidance and support. As always, thanks for tuning in.